Now we know that Green is angry at White. The Master of Green is so angry at White that he made a spell to make White's stomach disappear.
Where's my stomach?
We're going back to the fight.
Hoy, baka malinaw sa...
Where is White? I need to go find him.
I'm here with no stomach.
Is Leon Green?
I'm gonna kill you. Hi, Quarry, no si
Green, please, no!
Ah, anong movie yan?
No. Now we're gonna go and fight. Now we're gonna see the fight. Don't damay me in the fight. Oh! You betrayed me. I want to kill your favorite student.
I'm still alive.
Goodbye.
Where's itong stomach?
White finally found his stomach.
Sarap.
And Leon Green is on a mission to find his student, Green.
Where,
Now goodbye. Oh!